Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to win one of the rarest Evos Mitsubishi ever sold to the public, and that is my one of 368 ever made Dandelion Yellow Evo 3s. We have got tons of new merchandise at 53supply.com per usual. Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to win this Evo 3. Are you racing the race car?
It's Ben's car.
Gabby, can you drive it? There you go.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Hey, Gabby, where's the handbrake?
Bruh.
Skirt! Vroom, 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 vroom.
Yeah.
You're so cute. Are you all done? Okay. We want to drive it again? I'm going to the gym, and I honestly just kind of feel like driving my 240 on the street. The bad part about it is it's not registered. It's not street legal, but I don't care. I'm not really driving that far, so hopefully I don't get in no trouble. Somebody gotta take these doors for me, bro. These are crazy. It's so heavy. I gotta have a locksmith come out, because I don't know how, but my key broke, so I can't even lock the car now. No. Sir. I don't know what that was. Something just broke. What the hell did I just break? Oh, a piece of plastic. I don't care about you. Yeah, I got no plate. Let's go. Got the turn 5 bash bar though. Might not be registered, but I'm safe. Pink car with no plates right now, dude. Like, so I'm behind the cop now, and that's usually ideal.
Nice car, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. It's the first time I've ever filled this car up, not on a trailer. Oh my god. I think I scraped my... Yeah, okay. I knew something was scraping. I love it. Thank you. Yeah, nice. Yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, I was having a little bit of fun.
Oh, well, damn. You built a diamond, bro.
Yeah, this thing is it's a race car. It's a little dirty at the moment, but
that's sweet, man. I like it.
Thanks, dude.
Hey, it takes the diamond in the rough. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a car guy myself. Most people would look and be like, "Why does it look like this?" But nobody gets it, man.
Yeah,
it's
man.
Got weight reduction. Oh, the full-on cage. Wow,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah,
I'm sorry I was being nosy with it, but I.
You're good, bro. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
You have a good one, bro.
You too, bro. Thank you. My wife texted me while I was at the gym saying that she wanted to bring Gabby to the park, so we're gonna have a little our time and have some fun. There she is. There's like a little ricer meetup over there. I'm trying to hide from him. I don't want nobody to come over here. I'm scared. I'm shy. You see Daddy's pink car?
Yeah.
Oh, do you love Daddy's pink car? Yes. What do you like more, the park or Daddy's pink car? Okay. Yes. This has been quite the looker. Everybody, oh, so much attention. Cops have even driven past me, and I don't. Nobody's pulled me over yet, so that's good.
It's pink car.
Yeah, I know.
It's pink car.
Yeah, I know. You love the pink car. Hi, Gabby. Oh, come here, baby girl. You want Daddy to swing you?
Yes.
Okay, let's go park. Let's go play. What's on your shirt? It's a red car. Good job. Ready? Go! Come on. It's Daddy's pink car. You see it? Oh, it's way over there. Vroom, vroom. Let's go. Come on. Daddy hold you? Factory Garrett turbos, they're always so good. Like, I don't know, Garrett probably, I would say Garrett arguably makes like the best turbos. Something about their engineering is nuts. But why am I spooling it? 2,000 RPMs. See if I can link my driveway with grippy tires. Wish me luck. Let's go, baby. That felt good. I always get scared about like right there because I can just fling, I mean like when my tires are moving that quickly, I can fling rocks like and break somebody's window. So I need to like pave out more on my driveway. That was good. I do need, after my first comp, I realized not only do I need a rebuilt steering rack, but my power steering doesn't have a cooler on it. So I'm already, like it's already hard to use my power steering right now. That was good. But the little SR that could, I freaking love this engine. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it like the first time that it goes bad. Am I gonna rebuild it? I don't know, but I like it while it runs. I've literally never driven this car on the street. I've had it almost 8 months or so and never have even tried to drive it on the street. It's kind of like this fine line, right? It's like you're gonna pay for an inspection on a car like this. So it's like, it's not like the car's actually gonna ever be street legal anyways, but it's like, so it's like, you know, whatever. You do what it did, you do what you do, just don't be dumb and don't hit nobody, you know what I mean? To finish up this video, I want to go ahead and show you guys the finished product, well, mostly finished product of the 240. So I do have Houston this weekend, which for you guys is already over, I believe, and then I'm headed straight to the LZ World Tour after I get back from Houston. So I'm driving up from Texas, and so that'll be kind of interesting. Hopefully I get there at a decent time, I guess. But we live streamed getting some stuff together on this car, but I just want to show you guys the end result of the 240. It is absolutely amazing. So I guess I didn't actually go over this in the first video that I had made, but I wanted to do sort of a Japanese sort of throwback, obviously. Get some sort of like D1 Japan look, like from the 90s. And something that that they do in Japan is they do liveries that are, you know, reversed and mirrored on both sides. A lot of times what they'll actually do is they'll actually take even the brands that are sponsors or whatever, and they'll flip them too, but I didn't want to do that because I still wanted people to know, you know, the sponsors, parts of the channel. Two things: I haven't finished up the front bumper because I'm about to probably go crazy in Houston and go full send. So I didn't want to I didn't want to ruin any decals before E-Town. And then the hood. I'm not sure what I want to do about the hood, but I think I want to get something carbon fiber. So I'm just gonna not touch the hood for now. This is so sick. I'll show you from behind as well. It's so rad, dude. This car has turned out so amazing. One of my favorite things about this is the continuation of this part right here. It goes like that, and it's like transparent on the window, and then it kind of goes there. It just looks so sick. One thing that we did was we printed a faux, if you will, a faux chrome, which if you look at it from a distance, it still looks really cool, but you know, actual chrome is insanely expensive. Plus, at the end of the day, like, it kind of looks better. Thinking about it now, it's like having chrome under 5.3, like that'd be kind of obnoxious and be a little crazy. So this is just super cool, dude. I'm so excited. I got a couple more things to do before LZ Fest and Houston, and I'm going to end up making some quick releases for the rear bumper because I want to start running my rear bumper a little bit more. I haven't run it for really any events at all. And also, I'm trying to think, I don't know, but this is pretty cool though. Check it out, 5.3. Like the 5.3 right there. I remember on the live stream, if you guys didn't join, I was asking you guys if you wanted me to keep parts of the 5 and the 3 on the taillights. And so I kept some on it. So like right here, I kept that on it, which I think is really sick. It did have a bunch here, but I actually ended up taking it off and I kept this there for simplicity to kind of match the other side. So I think it looks so sick. The tear vinyl is one of my favorites. I mean, even when I used to play Need for Speed Underground, this was really, if I ever did do a vinyl, it would be something like this. And so that's kind of like this car, especially being a 240, roots in drifting, roots in the 90s. I didn't want to modernize it too much, you know what I mean? So it's sick, dude, like with the wheels, the deep dish wheels in the back, the body kit, it's just so sick. And then obviously, if you guys don't know, I mean, 5.3 supply is based on Roman's 5.3. I don't know what I'm gonna do about like this top section of the car. Usually you don't really put too much on the trunk. Usually, actually, this is where your radiator and your fans and stuff is. So I don't know, might turn it into a 240 truck. But big thank you to everybody that's been a part of this. I mean, I got Trackstar, Corbeau, FDF, I got their angle kit, Zor, big supporter. They come out all the time and get my tires done when I need them. KBD, I've known Irving for a long time, and I love his body kits. Heritage Wheel, amazing wheels. Deech Works, I actually don't have any Deech Works stuff on this car yet, but they're a big supporter of the channel, so I went and put them on there. I don't have a link. I forgot to, I'm really sorry, Link. I don't think I forgot, maybe Mike forgot, but either way, we're gonna have a link on there as well. We still have plenty of space. Accelera and Tire Streets, like, huge. In fact, I actually do need to put Tire Streets on here as well. I'm just going through this and like, dang, all right, I need one more. Mishimoto's big, BC Racing is big, like custom coilovers. 5.3, of course, though, where we do giveaways and sell amazing merch for you guys. I need to put Get Dip services on here as well. Listen, dude, we forgot a few people. It be like that sometimes, but we'll take care of it. I'm so stoked how this turned out. I'm really excited to get, I mean, the hood, there's a lot going on with the hood for sure. So I'm excited to get, you know, the proper hood on here. Either way, dude, it's just amazing to see this car actually look like a race car now, you know, full cage. This thing is, I mean, dude, you just think about the transformation of this car from when I got it back in September to now. unreal. I really wasn't trying to film a bunch on this car, and to be honest, I probably won't continue to film a ton on this car, but for one, I gotta make videos, and so I film what I'm working on. Drifting content and building a drift car, for me at least, isn't always the best for views and stuff like that, but I film what I'm doing, and I'm just having fun doing it either way. You know, to me, doesn't matter what I'm filming, a vlog is a vlog is a vlog, and I'm having fun doing what I like to do either way. This is pretty much one of the last steps to this car, and the only thing from here on out I'm going to be doing is racing, braking, fixing, and repeating. And I can finally sort of free up some time of mine. Hopefully, like, we've dialed this car in enough to where I don't have to be fixing it a ton. I wanted to focus really heavily on this car so I could make any event that I wanted to, but now I guess honestly we can move on to my newer projects, my other cars, finish up the V6 Civic, finish up my Evo 8, get the S2000 back on the road, etc. Big thank you to Brett from Get Dip Services, and then Design Shop Reacted did an amazing job at this. I want to give you guys some encouragement today, honestly. Filming this video, I want you guys to know I used a 3-year-old iPhone and a 6-year-old GoPro. A lot of people get so caught up thinking they have to have the best camera equipment. They have to have their channel complete, you know, if they want to start a YouTube channel or a business, they have to get the best of the best. The most important thing you can do is just go out and do something and work, right? That's it. You don't have, like, I have a $6,000 camera setup. I haven't used it in 4 years, because at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. People just want to see the content. Like Cletus McFarland literally uses GoPros, bro. Use your iPhone, use your phone, use whatever. The most important thing is you get off your butt and don't wait around for the situation to get better or change. So just some encouragement for you guys. Start it today. If you want to do YouTube, you want to start an Instagram page, go for it, bro. You don't have to have the best stuff. Take good pictures with what you got, make good videos with what you got, and, you know, build from there. That's it. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna give you a kiss. Mwah. Make sure you guys go to 53supply.com and get your entries for the yellow Evo. Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to enter to win this bad boy. I gotta clean it with some Grillo's products, so we should probably do that here pretty soon. Look at it. I've been driving it. I've been dailying it, boy. Yay. Have a good day. I'm leaving. Bye.